Welcome to Marnie's Story Time.
Hello and welcome to Marnie's Story Time. Today I've picked a book from Bananas in Pyjamas. Some of you may have seen them on the TV. This one is called Banana Hiccups, and I've picked this book because my granddaughter Electrona suffers from the hiccups. Maybe we could try and see what the bananas do to cure the hiccups. Maybe Electrona could try them later on when she's a bit older. One day, the bananas in pyjamas were coming down the stairs when all of a sudden, oh dear, I think I've got a case of the hiccups, B2, he said. How do we get rid of your hiccups, B1? asked B2. Said B1 again. Oh well, perhaps the teddies will know how to cure your hiccups, B1, said B2. Said B1 again. He just couldn't stop hiccuping. Amy was sitting in the teddy's house, building a tower of bricks, when she heard a noise behind her. Amy was so surprised that she knocked over the tower. Sorry, Amy, said B2. B1's got a bad case of the hiccups. Do you know how to fix them? Luckily, Amy knew exactly how to fix them. Oh, my page has got stuck. Hang on. There we go. The way to fix hiccups, said Amy, is to take a deep breath and jump up and down real fast. Ready, B1? asked B2. B1 couldn't answer. He was still hiccuping. So he held his breath and he jumped. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Still holding his breath. How do you feel, B1? said B2. Said B1. Oh, perhaps that only works for teddies, said Amy. Amy left Bananas in the kitchen and went to ask Morgan for help. She found him in the park. B1's got hiccups, said Amy, and we need to do something to stop them. There's only one way to get rid of hiccups, said Morgan, and he whispered his plan to Amy. It always works for me, he said. Meanwhile, B1 still had the hiccups. Whatever are we going to do, B1? said B2. Hiccup, said B1, which wasn't really any help. Then Lulu walked into the kitchen. Do you know how to get rid of hiccups, Lulu? asked B2. Oh, of course, said Lulu. She told the bananas what to do. Lulu asked B1 to bend right over and drink a glass of water very, very slowly. Well done, B1, said Lulu. When B1 had finished the upside-down drink, you didn't spill a single drop. You can stand up now and your hiccups will all be gone. B1 stood up and he smiled at Lulu. Hiccup, he said. Lulu couldn't understand it. Always works for me, she said. Amy came home from the park just in time to hear B1 hiccuping. Don't worry, B1, she said. Morgan and I will get rid of your hiccups. All you have to do is open the front door. Open the door, said B1. How will that stop my hiccups? Anything's worth a try, B1, said B2. So the bananas went to the front door and B1 opened it. "Boo!" said Morgan, and he jumped into the room wearing a very scary mask. The bananas jumped back. "Oh!" cried B1. "Oh! Oh!" cried B2. "It's all right, bananas," said Morgan, putting the mask away. "It's only me." "I wanted to surprise you, B1, he explained. "Sometimes a big surprise will make the hiccups go away. Has it worked?" "Well," began B1. "Say something, B1, said B2. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again, said B1, without a single hiccup. Maybe the surprise has worked. How about that, B2? Said B1. My hiccups have gone. Yes. Hiccup, said B2. Oh no. The teddies and B1 looked at B2. Morgan gave me a big surprise, said B2. Now I've got the hiccups instead. Hiccup. Hiccup. Oh dear. Don't worry, bananas. The teddies know lots of ways to get rid of the case of the hiccups. Maybe when you've got the hiccups, or maybe when my granddaughter Electrona gets the hiccups, we need to try some of these remedies and see if they work for you too. So don't forget, hold your breath, drink your glass of water upside down, maybe a big surprise. I even heard breathing into a brown paper bag sometimes helps get rid of the hiccups. So maybe you can try any of those little remedies. Well, that's our story for today, and our little story with the bananas. And we'll meet you next time for another adventure with Marnie.
That was a great story we chose today, and if you want to hear it again, just press the replay button. And don't forget to meet me here next time for another classic adventure into the land of stories. Press subscribe and the bell icon for notifications so you can see new stories when they get posted, and see my channel with its playlist of stories for you to choose from in Marnie's library. Press the thumbs up or the like button if you liked the story today, and comment if you want to, and I will reply when I can, and we'll talk about our story.